If you're not sure whether you're a good kisser, pay attention to how your partner reacts when you kiss. It's usually a good sign if they match your kissing style. For instance, if you're French kissing your partner and they're enjoying it, they'll likely keep their lips open and relaxed, and they might touch their tongue to yours. On the other hand, if they pull away or keep their lips tightly closed, they're probably not feeling it. Pay attention to their body language too. If they lean in close, wrap their arms around you, or caress you during the kiss, those are all good signs. They'll also probably want to keep the action going with more kisses, or try to hold each kiss for a long time. Your sweetheart might also tell you directly if they're enjoying your makeout session. For example, listen for compliments like, "Wow, that was amazing. You're so good at this." Or, "I love kissing you." If you think that your current kissing style just doesn't cut it, don't worry. You can get better with practice. A kiss is always better if you have fresh breath and soft lips. So prepare for any makeout session by brushing your teeth, swishing some mouthwash, and putting on a little lip balm if your lips feel rough or chapped. Wait for a time when you and your partner are both relaxed and can have a little bit of privacy. Start out slow and easy, and experiment with different kissing styles to see how they respond. For instance, if they're not crazy about French kissing, try giving them light, tender kisses on the lips instead. If you're not sure how they're feeling, you can always ask. Say something like, "How was that for you?" Or, "Do you want me to go slower?" Keep adjusting your technique until you figure out what you both enjoy.